everybody, welcome to the stone tutorial portion of our wire wrapping class. This would be step 2. A lot of times people are just like so excited to learn wire wrapping that they just kind of go out and grab a stone. And as you can see, there's a lot of varieties in stones. I mean, you can do jasper, you can do tiger's eye, hematite. I mean, there's just agates, there's turquoise, there's so many stone options, and like even glass. Like these two here are just pieces of glass that are beautiful, especially when they're wrapped. And then they're like, now what do I do? Which is why we have so many blank stones here. Like you get the stone and it's like, and now what? And so now you know the tools you're gonna need ahead of time. And one thing you want to be considerate of when you are getting your stone is the size of the stone, because we will be measuring the stone to figure out how much wire we have to use for that stone, and then we will be adding extra length of wire depending on the style of wire wrapping we're going to be doing, as well as the type of binding, as well as the actual shape of the stone. So as you can see from our samples, you can do circles, you can do squares, you can do hearts, you could just do these pipe pieces, you can do small little marble type stones. They all just wrap beautifully. The important process to cut them to be able to have them work with the stone you're trying to work with. And so we're going to start with a teardrop.